this hair though. Hi guys, happy 2020. I know today is probably like the 19th, I think, but I miss you guys. Did you miss me? Because I missed y'all. And I know it's like, girl, where have you been when you don't post on Instagram, you don't post on here? What? Like, did you drop off the face of the earth? I did not. Last year was hell. I was not myself. I just was not. And the content that I put out, I'm like so embarrassed because I'm like, this is not me. But I felt like, oh no, I can't leave them hanging. But enough of the sob story. I'm just feeling better now. I'm feeling much better. What else? So yeah, today I'm going to be talking about a new hair care brand called Emerge. This is how their product look. So yeah, if you would like to see how I got this wonderful wash and go, just keep on watching.
Pull the key out the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started. You left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah, this love hurts. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Telling me you want me bad, but I know it's all an act. Something you say to get you away. Keep talking all your shit. You say you got it all, but then you start to fall down. You say no fair, I never cared. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I know what you're doing, baby, 'cause I'm not stupid. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more. Yeah. Oh, pull the key out the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started. You left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah, this love hurts. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Telling me you want me bad, but I know it's all an act. Something you say to get you away. Keep talking all your shit. You say you got it all, but then you start to fall down. You say no fair, I never cared. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. I know what you're doing, baby, 'cause I'm not stupid. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more, yeah, yeah. Oh.
But do you see that? What? What? Come on. Stay back. What? Okay, I don't want to stay back. What's that? Thank you. Look at that. It moves. When I move, you move. Just like that. Okay, but nah, I'll talk to y'all in the morning, y'all. Peace out. Hi guys. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about the new hair care line Emerge. So for 2020, one of my goals is to wear my real hair more. I know I've said this so many times, but I've actually been doing a really good job. So my favorite thing to do to my hair, hands down, is a wash and go. So I've been like literally on the quest to find the perfect wash and go. And when I tell you I love my hair, like, this is probably one of the best, if not the best, product that I've used on my hair. And I'm like, whoa. So the only thing is, when I first, before I get into that, so the name of the brand is called Emerge. That's how the product looked. This is how the product looked and everything. And so from the line, I picked up the Emerge Deep Condition and Revive infused with almond milk for rich, moisture-rich, frizz-free curl definition. It doesn't have any sulfates, parabens, phtalates, silicones. And then I got the It's Not Happening sulfate-free shampoo for curly, coily textures, cleansing and detangling, infused with almond milk. And then I also got the Emerge Style Goals gel. Now when I say this is literally Style Goals, like, this is probably the best gel that I've ever used. Like, I love the way this makes my hair feel. I love the way not makes my hair feel, but I love the definition that it gives my hair and everything. The only thing that I do not like about it, and you saw in the video, is that It's super watery, but I like the fact that it's watery, but I don't like the fact that it's watery. Water-based products work really well on my hair, but it comes out super, like, a lot. It comes out like a lot, seriously. And so when I first opened it, I was like, whoa, it came out a lot. But and because of that, I feel like you may lose products because it comes out so much. Like, I don't know if you can hear it, but you can literally hear the gel moving. It's not a super, like, thick gel. It's kind of like a mousse in a sense, because when you see it putting it on my hair, it foams up. I didn't really care for the deep conditioner. It's not that, I don't know, like the deep conditioner had my hair feeling a little weird. The shampoo was wonderful. I love the shampoo. I didn't have any problems with it. It cleansed my hair really well. The only other downside for this is that it smells like flowers. I'm not a big florally scent person, especially when it comes to my hair. That can kind of turn a person off from liking the product, especially if you're sensitive to smell. It like really does have like that flower, what's the like what is that word? I can't think of it. I can't think of the flower that I'm thinking of. I can't think of it. I know it when I know it when I hear it. But it just has that florally smell, and I'm not a fan of that at all. Luckily, it doesn't smell like, my hair isn't like filled with that smell, so I'm not really like, oh, my hair, I don't want my hair to smell like that. So at first I thought, I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna have to smell this on my hair all the time, but it doesn't. The smell goes away. And then I spray like oil on my hair, just a little bit. It's like an oil mist thing from Cream of Nature. So I spray that on my hair, and I don't know if that masks it. And then sometimes when I spray my perfume, I'll do it like over my head. So that's, but this, when I tell you I'm going to go back to Target, this is where I got it from, and I'm going to buy 3 of these things. And the price point, it's only $6.99. Like, I promise you, I'm like, yo, $6.99. Like, you know, like most like hair care brands, especially when it comes to like natural hair, they come out, it's like $20 for gel, and then $18 for shampoo, and I'm like, yo, I'm not trying to spend it. But for all of this, what? So like all 3 of these things for under $25, like, it's a steal. It's a steal. So this is infused with pequi oil. I don't know if the gel smells like that. Maybe that's why. I can't get my lip. But yeah, if you have a Target near you, I don't know if it's gonna be sold in Walmart. I just don't know. I literally just heard about this brand maybe before I bought it. I had just heard about it maybe a week ago. I saw it on Instagram, and I'm like, oh, I want to follow them. I want to check them out. And then I walked into Target and I saw it. So yeah, this gel though, my new best friend, like, look at my hair. Like, minus my earrings, but like, my hair has so much movement. It's like defined. It's fluffy, whatever. It just looks good. It makes me want to go rewash my hair, to do my hair over. But yeah, this is how my hair is looking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. I am going to try to have videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for you guys. Last week, I think I uploaded on a Thursday, which was a one-off, but it's okay. It is okay. So this video will probably be up today, Sunday. It'll probably be up tomorrow, honestly. So yeah, I love you guys. I miss you guys so much. Last year was hell for me, but I'm better. I am better. What else? Leave other wash and go products that you use down below. Comment down below. Let's have a conversation. Let's talk. I miss y'all. I know it's been so long since I posted a video, especially like showing my face. But yeah, I love you guys, and I can't wait to talk to you guys soon. And yeah, bye.